girl. Skylar? What's Skylar doing? What are you doing, girl? You're taking the white stuff out, right? Alright, mama. Skylar? Skylar! What are you doing, baby? Come help mommy. Help the dining thing. You clean the refrigerator? Good job.
Mix it now?
Yeah, mix it. Tell me stop, put it back to the back cousin.
Is it like inside? Yeah.
Hold on, I have a short too. Bagunça, MPPT, bagayo bagunça, bagunça, eu bagunça. Cala. Oh, Ellen.